Hello and welcome to this simple and automatic way to find probability of pumping and dumping of the prices, or at least to find large green or red candles that show us the purchasing or selling power at the moment that you are in the market. So let's just dive right into it. First method is going to the main page of TradingView and simply go up here, and in the products tab we can go to screeners and you can have your whatever the screener you want to bring up on the chart. The second way, which is a lot easier, is while you are on your chart and it's down here on the bottom left and it's crypto pairs screener. If you click here you can change it to forex, stocks, whatever it is. I'm gonna go with crypto pairs screener. Then I'm gonna click on it and bring it up. Then what we need to do is go to the settings, and then what I need is to change the exchange to the exchange that I'm trading in. So I'm using Bybit. If you're not trading on Bybit and you want to trade on it, you can use my affiliate link down in the description, which I highly recommend, and I pointed out the reasons, a couple of reasons that is good for especially scalping. So and even you have the plus factor of winning up to $5,000 using my affiliate link. So I'm gonna go down and choose Bybit. Then what I need is go to the search filter and simply search for NDI, which is this part is the most important part of our strategy, our technique here. Then I go to negative directional indicator and I'm going to change it from below to crosses down, and then I'm going to change the value to positive directional indicator. Then I'm going to close it and then click on it again to see and make sure if my changes are here. Yeah, it is. The exchange is on Bybit and every change I made is here. The next thing which I need to do is to type down here USDT, because this is the pair that I want to find, and now it's going to show me the binary options, which is one of the strongest methods to find the strong movements in the price. And then what I need to do is to check here in the technical ratings and see for the possibilities of the price to suddenly go up or go down. You can see whether it says goes sell, or it is neutral, or it's a strong buy or buy. Whatever it is, you can just understand it really easy. So it is Ethereum to USDT perpetual. If you double click on it, it's gonna pop on your chart, and then while you have a trading strategy, it doesn't matter whatever it is, if it is only a scalping strategy, which I told you before on my channel, or you are using other trading strategies like Ichimoku, no wave trading, even price action, it doesn't matter what you're using, you can use it with any trading strategy. And then from here in the time frames, the best time frame it works is the 4-hour. If I put it on 4-hour, but as you can see, it is not available for free usage, but for 30 days you can activate it and use it and see how powerful it is, and if you like it, then you can buy the service for yourself. But I use it in different time frames, from 1 minute, 5 minutes, all the way to 1 hour, and even tested the higher time frames. But it works out really good in all of them. And then you can just go to the market, and while you're analyzing the price, you can just have a look down here and see if the pair that you're trading in, for example, in this case, it's let's say if it is 15 minutes of Ethereum to USDT, then you can change the value to 15 minutes. And then while you're doing your analysis, you can have that extra being a sure part of the coin that you can make your trades, and it can be really powerful. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask me down in the comments. I would be really appreciated to help you guys out. And what I want to point out at the moment, if you're new to trading, especially if you're new to trading, or if you've been into trading but you're kind of lost and you don't know what to do, I highly recommend to watch my videos from the beginning, which I'm going to leave the link both on the screen above here and down in the description, and start my free how to become a trader course from the scratch. And I didn't leave anything behind. Watch my videos and then you can become a successful trader Trust me, these are my experiences throughout years, throughout thousands of trades, and lots of money I've lost and lots of money I made, of course. What I'm gonna tell you is mostly not to-do list, because a to-do list is just so simple and you know what to do. But as I always mentioning, that easiest part, of course it's not easy, but among all the things you're gonna face in the financial markets, especially cryptocurrency market, is that making money is the easiest part, but maintaining and growing it are the hardest parts, and that's what I'm here to teach you guys. So did you like this video? If you really like it, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and by turning on the notification bell, you're going to be the first to be informed when I'm uploading a new video, which I'm doing on daily basis. And please share my videos with your friends who are keen to know all about this creepy unknown world of trading, especially about cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.